So modifications that we can do within the bathroom that can become really valuable. The handheld shower with the longer cord on it that's always a huge hit with our customers because it just makes things more accessible, especially if you go with that seat option and adding that back there now. It's just more feasible for you to be able to use that space in a way you're comfortable. So that makes a big difference. Other things that we can do is put in a lower profile entrance into the shower so you're not having to step up as high, especially if we convert an existing bathtub into a shower. That can really make a big difference for our customers. So all of these processes that we do within the bathroom are not easy because you're working with a lot of things, right? You've got plumbing, and so there's the issue of leaks and making sure that that's done right. Then you've got to make sure that everything is measured to the existing size of what's there or the small modifications that you're doing. But within that, we do have the expertise to do what's commonly referred to as like a soaker tub, where you can open it up from the door, you can step into it, it's got a higher seat, and it allows you to be able to get into something that allows you to soak, but you don't have to step up and over a high side in order to do that. And there's lots of great options within that. You have different jet configurations and different things that you can do within that to just make it a place where it can really be a source of relief or relaxation. And so as long as there's been a lot of attention to detail of the space and what it can handle, and does that door have the space to open so that you're not banging things around within the bathroom, and that footprint is really thought through, that can be a great investment for that space being usable.